In this video, we'll show you how to change the upper control arm on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Before lifting your vehicle, it is necessary to measure the distance between the center of your wheel and the wheel arch. This will allow you to achieve an optimal tightening of the parts in their initial position. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Dodge Ram 1500 safely. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. This truck is equipped with alignment camber bolts so that you can adjust the alignment of your vehicle. Using a marker, trace a line between the alignment camber bolt and the frame, which will allow you to get as close as possible to the initial wheel alignment setting when reassembling. In any case, a wheel alignment check will have to be carried out by a professional soon after having performed this operation. Then, using a 21mm wrench, unscrew the two alignment camber bolts holding nuts. Finish unscrewing by hand. You must then disengage the upper control arm ball joint from the wheel knuckle. Then release the ball joint with a 21mm wrench. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, hold the ball joint to prevent it from turning. However, it is often difficult to remove. Using a ball joint puller, a specific tool for carrying out this job, release the ball joint. Before removing the nut, it is necessary to support the lower control arm with a jack to prevent the wheel knuckle from falling. Finish unscrewing the nut. Then, remove the upper control arm ball joint from the wheel knuckle. You can now remove the two alignment camber bolts. Remove the upper control arm by pulling it towards you and moving it back and forth. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Brush and grease the control arm area to facilitate its installation. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new control arm, unscrew the ball joint retaining nut. Then install the control arm. Take the camber bolts. Reinsert the two alignment camber bolts. Then roughly screw the retaining nuts back on. It is important that the control arm slides easily in their slots before a final tightening is carried out. Using a wire brush, scrub the knuckle of the wheel knuckle, then apply silicone grease to the flat part that will be in contact with the upper control arm ball joint sleeve. Do not grease the inside of the cone. Reinsert the ball joint, then screw it back in. Lift the wheel knuckle with the jack until the original measurement between the center of the wheel and the wheel arch is reached. Screw the nut of the upper control arm ball joint back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Finish tightening the camber bolts with a torque wrench. Remove the jack. Screw the grease fitting onto the top of the ball joint, by hand at first. Then using an 8mm wrench to lock it in place, take the cotter pin and fit it into the castle nut. Use a screwdriver to bend the cotter pin. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.